Hello, Dr. Anil Kumar.
Sir, 80 minutes.
Sir, good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Sir, welcome to the session.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, అంటే మేము 12 అని చెప్పాం, మేబీ జాయిన్ అవుతారు రిమైనింగ్
Okay, just I want to check this. I'm just
Okay.
sharing, sir. Please see
Okay.
whether you could be able to see. Is it visible, sir?
Yeah, it is visible, sir.
Uh,
Just close that. Okay.
Slide changing, could be able to see, no?
Yeah, yes, it is fine. Everything is fine.
Anila అంటే Anila అంటే వాయు Anila.
Okay, sir. Let them join. After joining, please you can start.
ఓకేనా? ఓకే.
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, good morning. Can I start, sir?
Yes, sir. Participants.
పార్టిసిపెంట్స్ ఆల్రెడీ కాలేజీలో జాయిన్ అయ్యారు సార్, పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు.
Okay.
అంటే కొన్ని కాలేజ్ లో మేబీ ఎగ్జామినేషన్స్ జరుగుతున్నాయి సార్. సో ఒక
Okay.
4-5 కాలేజ్ అయితే జాయిన్ అయ్యాయి.
Okay. Okay. You can-
So before starting, sir, I would like to introduce the today's resource person to the audience. Good morning, all of you. It's a very important program on intellectual property rights. And today's resource person is Prasad Rao Garu. He is a joint controller of patents and designs at Patent Office Chennai. His educational profile is MTech Energy Systems from JNTU Hyderabad. And before that, he did his mechanical engineering from KITS Warangal. His WIPO distance learning courses he has done, and DL 101 general course on intellectual property rights, and DL 450 IP management, and certificate course in German language from University of Madras. His job profile from May 2002 to December 2008 as examiner of patents and designs, Patent Office Chennai, and from January 2009 to December 2017 as assistant controller of patents and designs, Patent Office Chennai. From January 2018 to May 2023 as a deputy controller of patents and designs, Patent Office Chennai, and from June 2023 to till date, he is a joint controller of patents and designs. This is the highest position in the office of IPR. Nature of duties, currently he is supervising quasi-judicial function. The work done by the examiner, that is substantive, examination, techno-legal, and that is patentability and other technical requirements of inventions. Ascertaining sufficiency of description of inventions, conducting novelty search, reviewing patent specifications, determine scope and validity, and pre and post grant positions filed under the Patent Act 90.
No internet connection వస్తుంది వైఫై.
Sir, kindly mute yourself, Andy. Sir, am I audible, sir?
Yes, sir. Myself audible.
Yeah, thank you. And there are so many foreign assignments, foreign trainings. Attended 2-week conference on intellectual property rights at the Japan Patent Office, IPO Japan. And he also attended 2 weeks conference on IPR East meets West in Vienna, Austria, organized by European Patent Office. And his personal profile includes he hails from Nellore, and mother tongue is Telugu. He can speak English, Hindi, Tamil, and so this is a brief profile of today's resource person, and this is a very important program. Especially this requires today's innovation ecosystem requires such programs, and entire world, particularly the by 2047, India is also want to become a superpower in the world. So this requires innovations, this requires startups, this requires designs, this requires patents also. This also contributes our faculty as well as students towards applying the patent application, the process, the product patents, and the processing of the patents, etc. So everything this resource person can develop on everything from entry to exit on the process of patents. So I request all the faculty members as well as students, please make use of this wonderful opportunity. And I thank today's resource person for accepting our invitation and joining us to educate us and to tell us how to file a patent, how to get for innovations, how to go for funding also. Sir, I must say one thing, on 6th we are also going for a IAC regional meet. For that also it is very much required for conducting this IPR. It is also MSc activity also, IAC activity and MSc activity. And in this collection, for the benefit of other colleges, we have also invited other 9 colleges around our colleges. So they are also waiting us. And I will share the details of colleges and details of the participants so that you can also provide us the certification from NEPA. With this brief introduction, I welcome you, sir. Please, the floor is open for you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your welcoming words and introducing me to the participants. So, good morning to faculty as well as students. So today's program titled as IPR and its protection in India. So, I am going to discuss about various types of intellectual property rights and how it is useful and what is the importance of intellectual property rights present scenario and what way it is going to be beneficial to all of you.
Screenshot.
If you have any doubts, you can note down. End of the session, we will discuss all the doubts. So, going forward, all of you are aware about patents. Actually, not only intellectual property right, nothing but not only patent, but there are so many types are there that one by one I'll explain before moving into the details of various types of intellectual property rights. First, we will see a Global Innovation Index, which is going to be released by World Intellectual Property Organization, a non-governmental organization located at Geneva. So the importance of this Global Innovation Index, it describes the innovative capability of each and every country and the innovative economy. In simple words, how a particular country is developed as far as science and technology is concerned, education is concerned, and use of new technology is concerned, and giving importance to the protection of rights. So there are so many criteria before preparing this Global Innovation Index. So based on this Global Innovation Index, we can imagine at what position economically we are as compared to the other countries in this world. So actually this particular Global Innovation Index ranking is the World Intellectual Property Right they are preparing by considering nearly around 132 developed and developing countries. So this list consists of 132 developed and developing countries. So we are at the stage of developing. So as Dr. Anil Kumar said, so by 2047, we should reach the goal of developed country from developing country. So past 20 to 25 years, we are under still developing on. When we will reach to the developed countries, what generally developed countries, if you say, generally everybody will say that USA, European countries, Asian countries, if you speak about developed countries, Japan, China, why we are lagging? Why India name is not coming? That is the biggest question mark. So as far as the population is concerned, we are at number 2. As far as developed technology wise, whether we are developed technology side, technology as well as use of technology, that is very important. And education side and the protection of rights, intellectual property rights especially, where we are, at what stage. So this particular index, it shows the position of our country. You see 2015, we are at 81st position. 2022, we jumped to 40th position. So 40 ranks we increased. Simple example I want to tell you. So 2015 filing rate. So per annum we are receiving some around 35,000 only applications, patent applications. Whereas now we are receiving 85,000 per annum. So there itself we can see the jump of filing of patent applications, almost doubled. Similarly, from 2015, our position, our rank increased from 81 to 40th position. And in the year 2023, latest release from WIPO, there also we retained the position of 40 rank in the among 132 countries. So our position, we are moving towards that developed stage. So our government aim is by 2047 we should be in the top 10 position. So who are all there in the top 10 position? If you see US, European countries are there. And China also is there, Japan also is there. So if you see why these countries are there in the top position, because they're protecting their right. As and when they're inventing something new, they're protecting their right and they are developing it further. So that the new technology, it will be continually pass on to the next generation. Where we are lagging, we are developing new technology, but we are not protecting it. So this is where we are lacking. So any new invention which is created by our Indians, we are simply giving that particular technology to MNC, multinational companies. So what it is going to happen? That multinational companies, they are filing on their name in other countries. So who is the inventor? Indian. But who is getting benefited? Multinational companies who are there at the Western countries, Europe, US, China, or Asia, Japan, like that. So where we are lagging, we are not protecting our inventions properly. So today's discussion, I will explain. Intellectual property right means not only patents, there are so many other intellectual property rights also there. How to protect it? One by one, I will try to explain now. So intellectual property, nothing but a creativity. If you have any specific skills, based on that, if you create something new, so that is called as invention.
Hello.
It should be, yes. Yes, madam. Could you able to hear me?
Yes, sir, you're audible. Maybe
that
is another call from outside.
Okay. So, the intellectual property is nothing but a creation of mind and knowledge. Whatever knowledge, based on your knowledge, experience. So, if you create something new which is useful to the society and which is useful to you as well as to the society, means it is a new thing which is not there in the world. So, which either it may be a product or a process or any particular design or any mark. So these are all comes under the intellectual property rights. So we will see one by one what is the patent. So these are all different types of intellectual property rights. That is patent, designs, trademarks, geographical indications, copyrights, semiconductor integrated circuit layout designs. Of course, trade secret also is there, but it is not. We don't have protection in India. So we will see what is patent, what is design, what is trademark, and what is copyright and semiconductor integrated circuit layout design. So for sake of easy understanding, we have given just left side. You can easily understand if you take laptop. So that LED display, that means inside whatever operation is there, how it is working, like motherboard, operating system. So these are all inside the technology, which is not touchable. So where that inside technology is there, now how it is operating, how laptop is working, that inside technology, LED display comes under the patent.